Okay, y'all can stop trying to learn how to do that chain braid now. I got you. Yes, your girl Nillian's Artistry got you. Wrap that hair around twice. Pull it through that hook just like that. Let it latch and pull it through. Boom. You got the first step. We already there, baby. No, you don't got your chain braid yet, but we getting there. All right, what you're going to do now, make sure that latch hook is open. And you're going to pull a small amount of hair through, keeping it horizontal. And you're going to turn it, pull it through. Boom. Pop it back open. Just like so. Boom. Pull it through. Pop it back open. Boom. Pull it through. Latch open. And there you go. Pull it through. Latch it closed. Pull it through. And you're going to do this the whole way up your design. Okay? Whatever design you choose to create, you can do it with this latch hook. So mind you, the bigger the braid, the larger the hook. That means you'll be able to grab more hair with a larger hook. So this is a bone straight wig. I really didn't want to mess it up, but I did want to demonstrate how to do the chain braid. So it might not be the neatest, but it is definitely the same concept as you see right now. The chain braid is being created. So with that being said, make sure y'all follow. Bye bye.